down below. That scared me. Hello. Oh my god. If you have never been here Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. If you have never been here before, hello, my name is Brooke and I post makeup and beauty related content weekly on my channel, and I would love for you to join the squad we got going here on YouTube. So if you would like to, feel free to subscribe. The button is right down there. You guys know by now where the subscribe button is. But in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this quick, easy, and natural summer glowy makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Alright guys, so you know the deal. We're going to go in with some primer, and today I'm going to be using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water in the coconut flavor, and the coconut one. It's my favorite. It's amazing. But next I'm going in with my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation, and I'm just dotting this all over my face and then blending it in. And while I'm doing this, I'm focusing on blending out in circular motions in areas where I don't need that much coverage, and then in areas where I need more coverage, I'm really focusing on patting that product in and pushing it into the skin rather than blending it in, if that makes sense. I'm also just building this up in the areas where I feel like I need more coverage, so that's just going to be in the center of my cheeks where I have my rosacea. Now to fix this dark under eye situation we've got going on here, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is absolutely my favorite. It is so full coverage, so moisturizing. It's very hydrating and it doesn't crease, so I love this concealer, but I'm also wanting to try some new concealers because I get in the habit of using the same products all the time. So if you guys have any recommendations for concealers, let me know, because your girl needs to pick another one up because I cannot be walking around with those dark circles under my eyes, okay? Now picking up my RCMA No Color Powder, I'm just going to be putting this under my under eye with my Stands Out Beauty Sponge, which I love because it has a perfect size triangle side that really just gets that under eye area perfectly. And then I'm also just bringing that onto my lid to set my eyes because I did put on some concealer as primer. And now I'm going in with my BareMinerals BarePro Powder just to set the rest of my face so that when I go in and put on bronzer and blush and everything, it doesn't stick and look patchy. And then I'm just going to swipe away that RCMA No Color Powder with the same brush. Alright, so now I'm picking up my Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer, and I'm just going to use this on the perimeters of my face, and for some reason it does look muddy on camera. However, it didn't look like that in person, so just ignore that. And then I'm just going to go on with a clean powder brush to blend that out. And then I will be going in with my Becca and Jaclyn Hill blush in the shade Rosé Spritz and just putting that on the apples of my cheeks After that, I'm going in with my Lavish Luxe Cosmetics Loose Highlighter in the shade Famous, and I wanted to love this product so badly, you guys. I really wanted this to work. However, it is too dark for my skin tone, and it is a little bit chunkier than I prefer my highlighters to be, so I just made it work over my blush to give my face more of a luminous look. And now I'm going in with my Morphe and Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise highlighting palette and using that shade Get Laid. Beforehand, I'm just spraying my face with some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water because of the fact that I'm out of my MAC Fix Plus. I just wanted something that made my skin wet to really make that highlight pop and look foiled. Alright, so now going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and picking up the shade Fawn, I'm just going to contour my nose. I didn't contour the perimeters of my face or anything like that today because I wanted to keep the skin relatively light. However, I love a good nose contour, so I just went in and did that very lightly. Alright, so then I picked up my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Chocolate, and I used this to fill in my brows. As I use this product, I do brush it out with the spoolie as I go along because this does set kind of quickly, and also I had a fan on. So just a tip, if you have trouble working with this product, just blend it out as you go, and it's really easy to work with. And then I just set my brows with my Gimme Brow by Benefit. This is a must-use product for me. I have to use this every day. I just love the effect that it gives my brows. And then I'm going back in with that Too Faced bronzer and just popping this into the crease to add a slight bit of definition to the eyes, but also to bring in that warmth back with the bronzer. Since we have it on our face and our eyes, it's really going to tie the look together. And then after that, I'm just picking up that highlighter, loose highlighter once again by Lavish Luxe Cosmetics, and I'm going to be tapping that onto that lid there just to add a little bit of light and a little bit of sparkle to that area before going in with my Carly Bible palette by BH Cosmetics and taking this shade right here and using this to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. Moving on to mascara, I'm just going to put a quick coat of my Bad Gal Bang by Benefit on before going in with my lashes. And for lashes today, I will be using the Nilo or Nalo. I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce it, but these are a pair of mink lashes. They are in the style Z, and I absolutely love them because they have a nice flare to them, but they're also perfect to wear without any makeup on or with a full face. They really go with any kind of look, and I'm really happy with them. So I'm just going to apply those with a pair of tweezers because I don't know how people apply their lashes with their fingers. That is beyond me, but I'm just going to pop those on and then I will finish off the rest of the eye. Just kidding, I did my makeup in a really weird order today, so apparently we're moving on to lips, and I'm just going to be lining my lips with my Sweet Tea lip liner by Morphe, and then I'm going to be going in with my Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Karma, which I love. It is so perfect for summer. It is just a beautiful corally peach shade that really brings the face to life, and it's nice because it's more of a bold lipstick without being too bold, because I know not everybody is comfortable wearing red lipstick and things like that. But now we're moving on to the eyes, so I'm just going to put some white eyeliner in my waterline. This is Coconut by Morphe, and then I'm going to take that bronzer once again and just blend that out onto the lower lash line, once again just to tie the look together but also to add a bit more definition, and I'm also slightly connecting that to that upper outer corner up there. And of course you can't forget a quick coat of mascara on the lower lashes. Alright, so this completes today's makeup look. I'm actually really happy with the way it turned out. I love, love, love glowy skin. I love some wispy lashes, and you can never go wrong with a bold lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out more than you know. Feel free to leave some comments down below, just letting me know what kind of content you want to see from me next, what you thought of this video, or just how your day's going. We can have a chat down in the section down there. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I will have all of that linked down below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.